What's up guys, welcome to another video. For those who don't know me, my name is Shahryar. I'm stock and option trader and I've been trading for the last 5-6 years. I'm also CEO and founder of Trading Club, which is a trading and investing educational platform. In this video, I want to go over a trade that I took on AMD. I traded AMD options after its earning, and in this video I will explain everything about the thought process, my trade, execution and the profit and loss for you guys. So let's go to the video and check out everything. What is going on everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video I want to go over my trades over AMD. AMD had earning today and it crushed. So you probably see this price action right now, but you see the volume was crazy, the candle was crazy. It was an insane sell-off from all the way from 120 to 107, which was insane. Now what happened was that AMD had earning and it missed a part of the revenue and guidance. So if you check out the price action, now obviously you see this right now, but before the market opened, this is what you were seeing. We had a big gap up and then it was kind of holding this 116, 117 zone before the market opened. And when the market opened, the whole scenario kind of changed. We had an insane sell-off to the downside the first 10 minutes. Now, if I check out, if you go on over the 1 minute chart, this is what you see. This was crazy sell-off for the first 5-10 minutes. And then after the sell-off, what happened was that the price was holding really well below 117. Now, this was the first sign of sellers controlling the whole zone and being really aggressive. So I started loading up some puts around 940-ish and then 946 also as well. So this was basically my entry point on, so this was basically my first entry point on basically AMD around these zones. And then like I added up around 946. Now what happened was that my stop loss was very tight. And you guys probably know that I'm kind of scalper. I day trade if I see really crazy opportunities and I hold for a couple of minutes, maybe hours in some scenarios. But I am a scalper most of the time. Now when I saw this opportunity and because of this crazy volume after the earning, everything was lining up on the price action side, on the support and resistance side, and the catalyst and everything. So I started loading up with very tight stop loss. It never hit my above 117-ish zone stop loss at all. And then it started selling off like crazy. The only concern that I had was around 115, which if you go and check out the daily chart, you see this was basically level that was a resistance before. I had the concern of this level kind of having a tough zone. You see this was a resistance. This could act as a support, which it did around these times back in basically July, but it didn't. Right? What happened was that it kind of sold off like no tomorrow. It didn't stop till 111. Now the contracts that I bought was 115 puts, and those contracts went up 100%, and I got out of the last few contracts at these points. Now obviously, yes, if I was holding, I could make a lot of money. Now here you can see my trade executions. I scaled out a lot the contracts that I bought around 1.8. I closed some of them around 3.8, 3.7, right? And basically I made 6,180. Now these contracts went up 100%, the last few contracts that I was holding, right? But you can't come and say, okay, if I was holding, I could make another 10K, another 15K. Yes, I could, because these contracts went up all the way up to $7, $8, 1.8 to $8. It's insane, 400 something percent. So yes, that could happen, but I'm not going to come and say, okay, I can't hold it, I could hold it. No, I scaled out a lot around these times, around these places. And I'm okay with scaling out because it led me to basically save some of the profits that I have and be able to hold some runners for a possible continuation, which had happened here. Now, I didn't hold because I had really great return on investment, and I didn't want to hold at one point. I was kind of concerned about the possible resistance around these times, because like around 112, around 112.5-ish zone, we had a lot of demand zone previously around, like I don't have the resistance right, support and resistance line here right now, but this is a pretty clear line here that you can find, and I kind of tried to get out before this happened, and you see this line got broken, this resistance, this support zone got broken, and then found that support, and then it even went all the way down to 108, which is crazy. It sucks that I couldn't hold it, but to be realistic, no one can hold it. It's impossible to enter at 119, get out at exactly like the bottom of this candle at 107. It's not going to happen. I don't want to go into that route of like trying to be idealistic and try to catch the best moves, buy at the bottom, sell at the top. That's not going to happen. Okay, so I'm okay with the trade. I think it was an amazing trade. My return on investment was insane. My reward to risk ratio was crazy. So overall, really great trade and really good catch. And a lot of our members in the community, they had 100%, 88%, 67%, 15% return on investments, which was crazy on SPY, on Meta for the day. So yeah, this was overall a really great trading day for me, because of executing really well, top notch, and having a great return on investment and overall great numbers for my trading day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, please check out my Instagram. I will answer DMs, some of them if I have some time. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Add some comments. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. I will answer all the questions. Take care, guys. I will see you in the next video.